Hello friends, in this episode we will be talking about the package manager for Windows that is called as Chocolatey. A Chocolatey is a package manager which simplifies many of the software installation on Microsoft Windows operating system. That means if I want to install Java, Maven, or I want to install some other software, then normally you might have found that you have to set paths, etc. You have to do many things, but with the help of this package manager, which is called as Chocolatey, you need not worry about setting paths, etc. Only you have to give simple command and your softwares are installed. Now in order to install Chocolatey itself, you have to go to the installation page and you have to copy this command. This is actually you are installing the Chocolatey and you have to put this on your command line, so it will install Chocolatey. Once Chocolatey is installed, you can give simple command choco install or choco upgrade or choco uninstall. So with the help of that you can install anything, whether it is Maven, Java, anything. So we see an example here. In my system, Chocolatey is already installed. So what I'll do is I am giving command choco install Docker. Now since this is a Windows platform, it is very difficult to install Docker on Windows platform. So I've given choco install Docker, so it is showing me this, and now it is asking me, do you want to run this script? So I'm saying yes. Let us see what happens. So it will take some time and it will run the installation. In the similar way, I have run Java and Maven commands, and Java and Maven are running perfectly on my system. So that is power of Chocolatey. You can see, if you are going to this page, you can see here all other different commands. It is just showing you on the screen, and it becomes very handy because in some cases in the non-Microsoft platform softwares, it becomes cumbersome for us to install on Windows platform. So that way Chocolatey comes handy. Actually, those who know Nougat, the platform for Windows, it is an extension over Nougat. So that way it helps us in installing the things. So you can see now it is downloading the 64-bit Docker, because my Windows is 64-bit, and it will download and it will take some time. So by that time we can pause this particular this video maybe, or maybe it will take less time, so we can hang around and see what happens, or maybe I'll cut the video in between. In the meantime it is running, so we can go for and we can find the other aspect of Chocolatey. So one advantage is that you have an unattended installation in PowerShell. Chocolatey works with all existing software installation like MSI, NSIS, Setup, etc. But also works with runtime binaries and zip archive also. It easily manages all aspects of Windows software installation. Either you are installing, you are configuring, you are upgrading, or you are uninstalling. Chocolatey is the most reliable when software is included with the package, but can also easily download resources. It takes advantage of PowerShell to provide automatic software management instruction and Chocolatey built-in module to turn complex tasks into very easy function. So you can see here one thing, that Chocolatey can build full software deployment in 5 to 10 seconds. Packages from programs and features under 60 seconds. You never build software development faster than you will with Chocolatey. It is also a package internalizer, makes existing package works completely offline, allowing organizations to take advantage of great logic without a hit to internet. Chocolatey integrates with your favorite configuration management. Like if you go for SCCM, Puppet, Chef, or PowerShell DSC. So you can see here, Chocolatey can work with PowerShell, Ansible, Chef, Puppet, or other things like SCC. Organization creating, internalizing, and hosting their own package that are reliable and repeatable so that can fully trust and control the process. If you are an organization that wants the best ROI for any software management solution, look no further. You can go for Chocolatey for Business. So what are different official Chocolatey tools? It is a CLI agent client, choco.exe, that we have seen, designed with security in mind. Now you are using Chocolatey from trusted source when you are using official Chocolatey client. Use Choco to install, upgrade, uninstall, publish, and search packages. Okay, so not only you can install, you can also publish and search. You can use Chocolatey GUI if you are not comfortable with CLI when you need a visual representation package. There is an official provider for Windows, that is 10 Server 16 built-in package manager. So you can see how popular Chocolatey is. Now we come to our command prompt, and you can see that Docker installation, download is already done. Now it is running Docker, and you can see shim VM has successfully created a shim for the Docker directory. The install or Docker was successful. Okay, so I can test now Docker run, because I am in a PowerShell, that means I am an administrator window, so I don't need any other privileges. Docker run hello. Well, let's hope. So maybe this package is not there, so we'll see Docker. So it will give us some commands, so you can see all commands are going. So you can pull something